All right, boys and gals, welcome back to the channel. We got another ride along today for you. We are currently in Newton, New Hampshire, and Newton, New Hampshire borders the great state of Massachusetts, believe it or not. Surrounding towns to Newton, New Hampshire are, I think, Kingston, Plastow, what else borders Newton? You know, I should know these before I do these videos to give you guys like some little insight on the towns. But I know it borders Massachusetts. Kingston is one of the bordering towns, and Plastow is actually another bordering town of it, which borders Massachusetts as well. So we're currently in Kingston, but now we're leaving Kingston and we're heading into Newton, New Hampshire. Right here, there's another trackside grill. They got good pizza there, and this railroad track is currently still in use. There's another video, if you look back a few videos ago, where we passed through on the upper side of Kingston going into Kensington, and yeah, that train track is still being used today. It's basically like the crossings. It's called Crane Crossings. Church right here on the left-hand side. There's a school coming up here on the right. There's beautiful little back roads in the state of New Hampshire. I like it. It's a very small town feel, and you're not far from Boston. We're about an hour away from Boston. On a good day, you have like 45 minutes in the morning, but I like these little rural towns, and it's the first snowfall of the year. It was a dusting, but it's just pretty. The sun's starting to go down. It's not late in the afternoon, but the sun sets early. I think it's setting about like 4 o'clock now, so it'll be dark here in about a half hour or so. Yeah, anyone from this area will know these roads, but they're great to ride. Motorcycles, and I don't know, they take care of these roads. I like the corners and some nice houses, some nice scenery. There's some better roads though. We'll go down. Might do a video in Danville, take you up through Danville. There's a YouTube channel I watch who's based out of Danville. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of him, Flying Wheels. Craig from Flying Wheels. His business is one town over from my town where I live, and all these little surrounding towns. Great channel. He's a small used car dealer, and he does a lot of YouTube videos. I mean, he pumps the stuff out. He's well on his way to, I think, 500,000 subscribers. I don't know. Very good personality. Honest, open-ended guy like myself, very transparent. Even has a course, I think, to train people to start their own car dealership. He's a dealer. He goes to auctions and stuff like that. He's got some pretty interesting and entertaining content on his channel. Check him out. I'll see if I'll leave a link in his channel on the video that I do through the town, and we'll drive right by his shop. You guys can see it, at least from this angle. I'm not going to take the phone off and pan around because I kind of like this angle. And yeah, it's a nice little back road. I'm not sure what road this is. I know, it's Newton. I think it's Newton Junction Road. I think. Could be wrong. It's not really a number associated with it, but we are coming out to a road that intersects it here shortly, and that'll take you right into Massachusetts. 108. We'll cut the video when we get close, because I just kind of want to stick to New Hampshire roads doing this series here, the drive-alongs. I like them. And I hope you guys watch the other videos. I'm waiting for some comments to come through and some interaction with these videos that I'm posting up, because I'd love to get your feedback on it if you guys enjoy the commentary, or you guys rather just watch and listen to some music. So Junction 108's coming up. We did that in a few videos. So 108 runs parallel with 125. Maybe we'll do 125, but that's like a main drag. I really don't want to film that. That's boring. I like the back roads. And this will, if you could take a left here, that'll bring you up to Exeter. If you take a right here, this is going to bring you to Haverhill, Mass. Beautiful with the sun going down. All the parents are waiting to pick up their kids. That's actually what I'm going to do. I'm going to pick up my son. Getting out of school. Should be on his way there now. can hear the coffee in the background, or lack of coffee. Just a cup of ice now. So this is 108. You can get going pretty good out here and not get bothered. I'm doing about 44 right now, 44. To roll my window in case you guys got that background noise. I'll just turn the heat down in here. I don't want that. But this is going to be more of a commentary video anyways, so hopefully you guys enjoy some of the information. Yeah, the town of Newton is pretty an old town. Actually, there's a fun fact. Me and my wife, 7 years ago, we got our marriage certificate in the town hall of Newton, New Hampshire. So Newton kind of holds a cool place in our hearts. You know, we were gonna move here, but we ended up moving to where did we move? East Hampstead, Danville, right in that area. It's a beautiful little town. Landscape business is Hafner's. What's fuel oil right now? $4.39. So December 2022, $4.29. Now we're entering Plastow. So we're out of Newton, and Plastow is one of the major towns on this side of New Hampshire to border Massachusetts. Obviously there's other bordering towns. Seabrook is one of them. Hampton is one of them. Hampton Falls. No, I'm sorry. Hampton is. Amesbury, I believe. Well, Amesbury is Massachusetts, so I take that back. But yeah, there's a lot of bordering towns, obviously, with the state of New Hampshire. Got a pretty big stretch of mileage of what towns. But at least on the east side of New Hampshire, if you're looking at a map, east side, this is some of the towns. Oh, we got a school bus. Gotta slow down. I'm not even looking at the camera. I'm paying attention, to be honest with you, at the road. So. Little school bus stop. Man, I remember when I was a kid, they didn't drop you off at your house. We had to go to a school bus stop. So like collectively there'd be a bunch of kids that would all, you know, congregate at one bus stop. You know what I mean? It's nice, man. Drop off the front of the house. I guess it's safer, which is good. But we didn't have that convenience. The school bus, you had to run to the bus stop if you were late, and the bus would drop you off the same spot, and then you walk home wherever your home was from that bus stop, you know? It wasn't miles, but it was still, you know, I remember, I think the bus stop to my house back when I was a kid was probably, I don't know, a quarter of a mile, so it is what it is. But we'll take a left right here before we get into Massachusetts, and we'll cut the video. This is a little back way right here. Farm on the right side. The sun looks good, so we're gonna lose the sun, the glare, and then we'll go up this hill right here. This is gonna dump us right into Haverhill, and then I'm gonna jump on the highway. I'm gonna cut the video though. But some cool roads. Enjoy it. Hopefully you're not bumping around too much. It's a little bumpy road. Hopefully it's not too bad. I will notice, since I've been filming these videos, I've been maintaining the speed limit on roads, and my fuel mileage has gone up. I'm at almost 18 miles per gallon. So I guess making these videos, I've been actually saving fuel when I do and run my errands, because I'm not making these videos just driving around like aimlessly. I'm actually making the videos so if I got an errand to run or something like that, and there's a road I haven't filmed yet, I throw the camera up and I'll film, you know, where I'm going, and try to give you a little information where I'm going, you know. There's a big farm back here on both sides. You can see a trailer on the right hand side of the screen right now. Old farm equipment. I mean, that's the staple of New Hampshire itself. You can drive down any back road as you travel north, and sure to find is farms. Tons of farms. Corn, wheat. Oh, no, we don't really do wheat. We do a lot of corn. Hay is a big one. Yeah, it's very interesting. I love the state of New Hampshire. The Granite State was part of the 13 colonies back in the day. The Granite State, New Hampshire. I love it. We go to the White Mountains. Yeah, and in the future videos, if we're filming, I'll start taking videos of like Crawford Notch and Kangamangas Highway. I can do videos like that. Those are going to be a lot longer. Those highways are long backway stretches through the woods, through the mountains, the White Mountain, you know, up near Mount Washington, and that might be something interesting to do in the spring and the summer, or even winter. Winter time is good too, because I usually get downtime from work, so I can do this, which is fun. So, but all right, guys, it's 10 minutes in, so that was a quick 10 minutes. It felt like it, talking to a camera, but hey, we're almost on the border. I'm gonna let you guys fly. Hope you enjoyed this little quick video driving through Newton, at least a main drag of Newton, New Hampshire. And we'll catch you guys on another video just like this one. And again, I appreciate the feedback. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up button. Yeah, leave a comment. Let me know how you guys like this stuff. Feedback is tremendous on a video like this. I'd love to hear what you guys think. Alrighty, till next time, bye.